are back at it. Tell us what you're up to, Mel.
Back at it, apparently. Piece of lucky. Okay, so seriously, today we're gonna try and make the bed using slats, basically, because you know I like to use slats because you get nice adequate ventilation rather than a sheet of plywood where you don't get ventilation underneath the bed. So I'm going to start by fixing this piece of timber. As you can see, it's quite flexible, and if I put it above here you can see how flexible it is. We don't want it to be doing that, so we're going to move it slightly forward, and then to stop it flexing I'm going to put a bulkhead right across here, and that will allow, well, it'll act as two things. It will stop this from flexing because it's going to be a solid piece of wood down to the floor of the van, plus each end we're going to put cutouts where we can run our wires and pipes and ventilation that side. Also it will give us something to screw the water pump, the accumulator to as well. So that's my first job for the day, and then this entire area is going to become the bed. So we're going to have another piece of timber like this go straight across here where the slats are going to go up to. It's going to be a really nice sized bed.
With a pull out as well?
Oh yeah, we're going to have a little pull out bit because it's not quite 6 foot, I don't think. How big is it from there to there? It's only, oh, I don't know, it's not far off 6 foot, you know. 6 foot is there.
Awesome.
So maybe we won't need a pull out. Yeah, because it's only going to go to there, so the pull out will be literally 4 inches.
Oh, I'm surprised at that. I was thinking
like
we'd need
4
it.
inches short of 6 foot.
So we might not need a pull out.
No, not really. If we build a storage box here that you can pull out and put a lid on it, like my step drawer that I made in my van for you to step onto.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we'd have a drawer coming out of a lid. So when I'm in the van with you, pull the drawer out, put a cushion on the lid, and then that'll
sort it out as
that'll
well.
work out, that'll extend the bed. This nice bit of plywood is left over from Rebecca's dad's kitchen extension. We're going to use it as a board to mount either a water pump and accumulator or just electric board.
What do you think of the light inside? Do you think it's a bit harsh in your face?
Yes, makes me look very pale and pasty. It's okay.
We need some sun. Yeah, Mel and I have been already talking mostly this morning about when we can get out and about again, stop the van builds and get on with our true purpose in life, which is treasure hunting. Yeah.
For some treasure.
Yeah, because we miss it. We haven't been metal detecting since September. It's a long time. It's the bulkhead in place. We've also got the back of the wall for the fuse board and anything we want to mount. Yeah. And then Mel is on the slats.
Now.
He's doing a great job, and we've got a pillar there, so that's taking off the front of the bed, and then we're just working out the spacing of the slats, aren't we? Or you are.
One of my most watched videos is a sliding bed video that I made some time ago. Trouble is, it's probably one of my worst videos as well, but it's one of my most watched.
Yeah. We need another pack of slats because we haven't quite got enough for the pull out and for the remaining sections, so we need to go and get those.
Yeah, by the magic of YouTube editing.
The next morning.
Another day in the camper van building world, and Mel has come across a problem.
Yeah, I think your tape measure's different to mine.
Do you keep changing over?
Because I'm sure. Hang on. Try a different one. Because this is confusing.
Is it the user rather than the tool?
Yeah. I am the tool.
So Mel is just finishing off the slats. I went and got another pack of these 70mm by 18, I think it was, from B&Q, pack of 4. So also what Mel's done so far this morning is taken out 2 of these slats, as you can see, because we suddenly remembered we're going to be fitting our power system under here, and we want to be able to access it without crawling under the bed. So he came up with this ingenious door. So it rests on the beams, which are on the vertical pillars there, and then it lifts up with a hinge. Well, it will be hinged over there, so that we can access it. We just move the mattress over and we can get to the power pack or the electrical system from underneath the bed, should we need to. Meanwhile, Monty is chilling out over here on the bed. He didn't have a very good day yesterday. Poor monster had to go to the vet and have 18 teeth out, so he's a little bit worse for wear. He's drugged up on antibiotics. So you can all send him some little hearts down in the comment section below and wish him a good and speedy recovery, so that we can get out in the van and he can have as good a summer as us.
Yeah,
isn't that right?
Fella.
Yeah.
Look at him. 18 teeth. How many's he got left? He can't have that many left.
I think
surely.
he had I think they have a total of like 25 teeth. So bless him, he doesn't have many teeth left. And he was in such a state yesterday when I went to pick him up from the vet. But it's all right.
I think you was in more of a state than Monty.
Yeah, yeah, I didn't do very well with it, but it was all right. Mel's doing a cracking job here as well, so we're going to let him carry on doing it. I'm going to get out of the way.
I'm using a slat plus a piece of offcut to space the bed slats out. And the reason I'm doing this is because we're going to have a section of this bed sliding out. So by doing this, I know I've got enough room between the slats to put the sliding out slats.
Oh, yay.
When I'm in the van with you, we could always put the toilet at the foot of the bed, put a cushion on it, and that's where my feet would go.
And then I'll be like, move your feet, darling, I need a wee.
Yeah.